Are you looking for the best drones for filmmaking? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for filmmaking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. DJI Mavic 2 Pro is the best drone for filmmaking. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro has 1-inch CMOS 20MP which can capture high-quality 4K resolution up to 60 fps. The 100 Mbps and the 10-bit log-M color profile deliver a clean image with beautiful colors and a high dynamic range. The adjustable aperture is a great improvement which has a shutter speed double the frame rate you are recording. The adjustable aperture is able to control the exposure you get that cinematic look. The Mavic 2 line of drones has obstacle avoidance sensors making them the safest in the sky. This drone is ideal for filmmaking because of its 18 km video transmission range. It can monitor a vast region and is dependable for professional use. The drone is equipped with sensors that have stability in use, ensuring no crashes or damage. The 1/2.3 CMOS camera with 12 million pixels. This drone has a 3850 mAh battery and 907 g weight which makes it the best drone for shoots. The drone has a longer flight time, range, and a speed of 45 mph making it best for cinematography as it suits aerial photography. Number 2. Parrot Anafi. The Parrot Anafi is the best choice when it comes to the best drones for beginners which are the finest drone for filmmaking on a budget with video features in a light and compact drone. The Sony optical sensors have stabilized on 5 axes mechanical axes and 3 electronic axes, allowing quality photos to be with drone flights. The camera's 3x zoom and 180 degrees tilt provide an image of the detected target. The Parrot Anafi is folding, light, and quick and takes a few seconds to capture. The 4K cinema for 096216/024 fps and 4K UHD 38402 160 24/25/30 fps have a recording mode and employs high-resolution 21MP sensors that enable sharp and digital zoom in the video, making them the best drones for filmmaking. The battery can be recharged in 1.5 hours, has a USB-C cable, and has 25-minute battery life. The tilt feature is another amazing feature allowing filmmakers to produce unusual shots that have a versatile device for aerial cinematography shot. The Anafi 1/2.4 20MP CMOS sensor allows capturing of 4K HDR films with maximum quality 3840*2160 pixels which have 60 frames per second. The pixels boast high sensitivity which is beneficial in low-light scenes. The quadcopter has 21 high-performance cores for image processing and for vision sensors that allow it to fly at 34 mph speed. This drone has a compact bag and a flying time of 25 minutes to record aerial films and photographs. The Parrot Anafi is a drone with a 4 km range that is suitable for anyone who captures amazing aerial footage as it can fly for 25 minutes. These characteristics can make it the best drone for aerial filmmaking. Number 3. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is a game changer and is the world's first filmmaking drone to make an HD video transmission system, 360 degrees rotating gimbal, and 4K camera with smartphone control simplicity. The Zen Muse X7 camera has an image processing system Concord 2.0 has improved to Cinecore 2.1 has 6K Cinema DNG/RAW and 5.2K in Apple ProRes. The 0 to 50 mph in about 5 seconds reaching a top speed of 58 mph and 9 m/s speed. The X4S has a twin battery system that extends the flying time to 27 minutes. The self-heating technology allows it to fly in cold climates. The flight autonomy has been redesigned for allowing obstacle avoidance in 2 directions as well as sensor redundancy. The Intelligent Flight Mode's Spotlight Pro has increased GPS intelligence, single pilots to generate complex, dramatic images. The upgraded video transmission system has a dual signal frequency and dual channel streaming footage. The DJI Inspire 2 is a high-end consumer drone that will suit the needs of filmmakers. The DJI Inspire 2 can fly at higher speed while maintaining a stable shot, allowing pros to using drones on automobile film sets and big-budget fast-paced films. Obstacle avoidance sensors are on the front, bottom, and top of the drone to ensure it detects any obstacles in its path. The DJI Inspire has a 5K RAW camera, obstacle avoidance, and 5.2K video, making it the best drone for cinematic shots. The DJI Inspire 2 is the ultimate for skilled commercial uses. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro. The Autel's Evo 2 Pro 6K drone has a gimbal camera with a variable aperture of f/2.8 to f/11, allowing a little amount of light to enter the 6K sensor. The camera can shoot video at ISOs up to 6,400 and images up to 12,800. The 6K gimbal can shoot video up to 5,472*3076 pixels. The high-end specs and capabilities make the cinematography and photography make the Evo 2 drone a good choice. The 7100 mAh battery helps in flying for 40 minutes at 44.8 miles per hour in ludicrous speed mode, and HD footage can be transmitted from 5.6 miles away to the controller's 3.3-old screen. The Evo 2 has 12 sensors, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, a dual processor, and AI machine learning to navigate the surroundings. The 6K color-accurate footage and ability to program makes smooth videos. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 series has 3 models: Evo 2, Evo 2 Dual, and Evo 2 Pro. The Autel Robotics has a 1-inch CMOS 20MP sensor and has an adjustable aperture of f/2.8, f11. The 10-bit log color modes help in great flexibility in post-production, as it retains rich detail in shadows and highlights. The 4K HDR has enhanced contrast and color. The video resolution of 6K is pretty and has 4K scaling. The flight time of 40 minutes and speed of 72 km per hour and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance makes it the best performer. The unit has an industry-leading dual-frequency transmission system that delivers more vital anti-interference and steady transmission of high-definition images up to 1080p. The 20MP 1 CMOS sensor, 3x optical 16x digital zoom, and provides higher sensitivity. The drone is easy to fly, making it outstanding and stable. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. The Air 2S is the best model with an amazing sensor size. The Air 2S features and has a folding design with a folded size of 180*97*77mm and a weight of 595 g, making it the smallest and lightest drone, makes the perfect choice for photographers and videographers. This makes the image quality in a small package that can feature a 1-inch 20MP sensor with a 22mm length. The RAW and JPEG formats don't adjust the aperture, so videographers allow ND filters to control the shutter speed while filming. This digital zoom provides 8x magnification while shooting FHD videos, has 4x at 4K, allowing the filming. The DJI Air 2S package has battery life and a camera that can shoot 5.4K video. The Air 2S can sense and avoid obstacle sensing. It can hold its position even in moderate winds. The 31-minute battery life is long enough to grab several shots before landing for a battery swap. The drone is much smaller and lighter. The obstacle sensors employ binocular zooming to different things to make the drone simple and safe. The Geo 2.0 geofencing mechanism keeps any drone for a flight time of 31 minutes. The camera has a 5.4K resolution, making it enormous. The DJI Air 2S is the most credible drone with a 20MP 1-inch sensor and digital zoom. Number 6. PowerVision Power Egg. The PowerVision Power Egg X combines an AI-enhanced camera and a durable drone into a sleek, egg-shaped body. The stationary AI camera can track subjects and makes the best quadcopter drone for beginning filmmakers. The 24 mph speed makes it best to capture aerial shoots. The 3-axis 4K 60 gimbal can track a subject with a 170-degree field view. The tracking technology is designed especially if it's lost. The live streaming option is appealing as it allows capturing the best shots from various sides. The camera and 2 adjustable LEDs make the power ray to use its sonar device to determine the topography, depth, temperature, and fish location. The PowerVision performs efficiently and is best for filming and producing high-quality videos.